Hi guys, today I am here to talk about the student visa. If you are a student and you want to study in Turkey, you probably need to apply for a student visa. So listen to whatever I'm going to say in this video. At first, you need to check with the Turkish embassy or Turkish consulate in your country for the latest and the most accurate information about the application process. Guys, don't forget to apply for your student visa at least 20 days before you arrive in Turkey. Okay, let's see what you need to do. At first, you need to start your online application in order to get an appointment date for your visa interview. After that, you need to provide some documents for that date. Some of them I will share it with you. For example, you need to provide your passport, biometric photo, health insurance, travel insurance, and so on. Remember, the application process usually takes time around 5 to 15 days. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.